Welcome to Tector. We are going to show you how to add more users in Tector app. Enter your main project group and press on Groups tab. Once you are at the group hierarchy, press on the group or subgroup you want to share. Then click Access tab in the sidebar on the left-hand side. Press Share button. Then type in the email and select the role for the person. The system has 3 user roles with different access levels: owner, member, and guest. The invited person should now get an email to create an account. If you want a user to access all projects in your portfolio, you can add them to the organization instead of individual project groups. To do that, go to your profile icon at the top right corner of the page and press on Edit Organizations. Go to your organization and click on Add User icon. Then type in the email and select the role for the person. Click on Invite User.